Good morning and welcome again to Learn Kikuyu with Teacher Martin. I hope that you have subscribed, that you are going to like, and that you are going to comment, and that you are going to share these videos. May God bless you. And today we are going to check into different kinds of clothes. Different kind of, what is the other name of clothes? What do you call? Do you have another name? Okay, there are so many. I can't remember. For now, let's learn the different kind of clothes. In Kikuyu, I will say Mithemba ya Nguo. Mithemba ya Nguo. Good. The first one is the sweater or pullover. So in Kikuyu, it is called furana. You can see it here. Furana. That is sweater or pullover. Let's go to the next. The next one is shorts. Shorts in Kikuyu are called kefade. Other people will call it kenyada. Kefade, kenyada. That's the name for the shorts. Then we have shirt. So this is just translated directly to Chati. You see here Kikuyu say shati yakwa, mean the shirt. Okay, yeah. Then we have fest. Even that is directly translated to festi. Although this is not the right Kikuyu, unfortunately I have not ordered this word, but it is festi. Yeah. Then we have blouse. Blouse in Kikuyu is buraudi. This is O, buraudi. This is fun. Then we have all the inner wears. We will say Nguo shiadeini. All the inner wears. That is Nguo shiadeini. Then we go to the next one. We have this one. It's called Didiria, and this is Kashugi. So I hope you get it. Didiria, Kashugi. That's the common names given to them among all other words, but they are still in area, so you can still say Nguo shiadeini. Then we go to the next one, which is socks. Socks is dogibi. Socks is dogibi. Then we go to shoe. Shoe is kirato. And when you have a pair of shoes is irato. Then we have tie. Tie is tai. Tai, just direct translation. Then we have gumboot. Gumboot is gamufuti or kofo. Gamufuti or kofo. Then we have trousers, or pair of trousers, and that we'll call it Mubuto. This should be Mubuto. Yeah, and that is it for today. I hope that you have enjoyed. Continue learning, continue asking questions, and let's continue learning Kikuyu with Teacher Martin. Have a good day and all the best.